Friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I have a very exciting video for you, friends. So let me give you a little bit of a quick background. Number one, I have been subscribed to Ipsy, just the normal glam bag that's $10 a month for 5 products for I think 4 years. I need to go back and look at my channel because I've been unboxing it with you guys for many years. If you haven't seen a lot of my recent unboxings, I'll leave a link to them down below. And I've always paid for it with my own money. I don't get PR from Ipsy. And I am part of a group called Ipsy OS. So I think it stands for Ipsy Open Studio. So essentially, to join the group is free. You need to be a blogger. I think you can have a blog, an Instagram, or a YouTube channel, but I think it needs to be beauty focused. And it's basically a group where they offer you free resources sometimes. You get invites to certain things. What else do you get? There's a Facebook group, so I'll leave a link to it down below. It's not a referral code or anything. You can apply, they check your socials, make sure it's legit. And so I'm part of that group. So they sent out a recent invite saying, come to our studios. Their studios is in Santa Monica. I'm in Los Angeles, so I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna come. They just moved to a new studio, and they're like, and you get to create your own Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I had to say that slowly because I felt like I was gonna stammer. So I was like, yes. I've always paid with Ipsy for my own money, and I'm actually on the wait list to get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Oh my goodness, Nikki. So I've been on the wait list for a while, a couple of months. So some of you are already get Glam Bag Plus. I do not. So when they said you get to create your own, I was so excited. So I'll insert some clips of all the products they had out. They said we could choose 5, so I thought I would share them with you because I created my very own glam bag, and I'm very excited because I've never done that before. And you guys, I am thoroughly impressed with what you get in Glam Bag Plus. Hopefully soon, I will be getting it monthly, but for now I don't, and I'm not on their PR list, so this is the one bag box that I got for free. But other than this, I'll be paying for it with my own money, so hopefully I'll get it soon. So let's jump in. I'll show you close-ups of everything. First up, from Feel, we have their Balance Moisturizing Balancing Cream. This is full size, friends. So remember, with Glam Bag Plus, I don't know if I told you this, $25 a month, and I believe you do. They told me when I was there, you get 5 products, which is damn good. I'm gonna show you everything I got. So this is the Moisturizing Balancing Cream. This is 6 fluid ounces. And it says it moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. I'm trying to think. It says it's made in California. Ooh, and the #1 ingredient is aloe. I enjoy that. It says apply to dry, clean skin liberally and rub in. Used to keep skin incredibly moist and smooth. How come some people hate the word moist? I was just thinking about that the other day. The random thoughts that go through an only child's mind. I talk to myself like all day. Any other only children talk to yourselves? I feel like there aren't many only children in the world, so whenever I find another one, I'm like, hello, brother or sister. I'm a mess. By the way, if you've made it through my rambling this far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying to get better at reminding you guys. Subscribe. I'm unboxing Ipsy BoxyCharm Sephora Play every month here on my channel. So give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button because that tells YouTube, hey, I want to know every single upload that Nikki uploads. So now if you just hit subscribe, it won't show you all of my videos. You have to hit the bell. So there, I did it because I always forget to tell you guys that stuff. Next up, I've actually tried this product, and this is full size, friends, 5 ounces. I'm sorry if I'm really hyper, but I've been paying for Ipsy and I've never gotten anything full size from them. So this is just like very exciting to me. For those of you that have been getting Glam Bag Plus for like 20 years, you're probably like, girl, it's not that serious. But for me, I'm excited. So this is the First Aid Beauty. You guys know I love this brand. I actually am currently using their eye cream every night. I'm gonna give you a full review. Not a full review video, but a full review on it probably in about another week or 2 because I've been using it for about 2 months. I'll leave a link to it down below. So I like First Aid Beauty because their stuff is just really like no muss, no fuss. It's not heavily scented. It does the job. So this is their face cleanser. And I used this a while ago when I was going through my chemical peel process and my skin was really dry. And I think I liked it then. I don't think I would like this now because I think I need something a little stronger because my skin is now oily again. But it says it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. So I think if you have dry, maybe not even combo, no, dry or normal skin, I think you'd like this. But if you have oily skin, I think you'd need something a little stronger. Is stronger the word I'm looking for? I can't think of anything else, but that's what I'm trying to say. I'm just too excited, okay? I don't know what I'm trying to say. Now this brand, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce. I'm just gonna show you a close-up of the product. So I think it's just LXMI. And this is, there's a lot of French. I think that's French. So this is a nourishing balm to oil. And I picked this one because I've never tried anything like this. So it says, squeeze out balm and massage into skin. Uses an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. What? It just sounded intriguing. I sounded like such a Valley girl. What? Oh, Nikki. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what you think. I'm going to try it today, but I just thought that was interesting. A Huda Beauty palette. I don't know if I've ever tried Huda Beauty eyeshadows. I don't think I have. So what is this palette? This is the Smokey Obsessions palette, and you get 3, 6, 9 shadows in here. I mean, it's probably perfect for a smoky eye, but you guys know me. I love color. Like, this is the most neutral kind of eye look I would wear, but that black looks really black. If any of you have tried this palette, let me know. So, I mean, I think so far this is an amazing deal, friends. I mean, with the first product, the first 2 products, $25 for both of these is pretty awesome. We have one more to go. We have the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. So I chose this because I haven't tried Wander Beauty Mascara before. So if any of you have, let me know your thoughts on it down below. If you get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, please let us know what you get in your box down below. Or if you are on the wait list, I'm still on the wait list. This is very exciting for me. If you haven't seen the recent video where I rated the worst subscription boxes of 2019, check it right here. I spill all the tea. That's right, I just said spilling the tea. Do people still say that? I don't know, but check it out.